like a king, lunch like a prince, and have dinner like a pauper. This old saying is a perfect example of how a perfect meal plan should be. However, many of us feel that there must be some easy mantra to stay healthy and fit. Today's video will discuss should you eat an apple and peanut butter for breakfast.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
The desire to stay in the shape often leads us to try several fitness and diet hacks. But no matter what you try, the best way to do is by eating a healthy and balanced meal. A healthy balanced meal is a key to good health, but when to eat and how much to eat are equally important things to keep in mind while checking out a fitness plan. Well, the first thing to keep in mind while taking the first step towards a healthy life must start with a healthy breakfast. In fact, your breakfast is the most essential meal of the day, as the body needs ample energy to go on throughout the day. As they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. No wonder this saying is absolutely right. An apple a day can fulfill your body's daily nutritional requirements. Although this doesn't mean that other fruits are not that good for health. Well, crispy apple with nuts and peanut butter has turned out to be a newfound love for most fitness. It has the right balance of taste and nutrients, but it is good to eat for breakfast. Interestingly, both apple and peanut butter are great for health, right from reducing inflammation to managing blood sugar levels to improving heart health, as well as digestive health to managing weight in a sustainable way. This unique combination is a great thing to go for. This apple peanut butter based delight has approximately 283 calories, with around 8 grams of protein, 16 grams of fats, and 7 grams of fiber, which has all the nutrition you need to kickstart your day. Apples are loaded with all important antioxidants and flavonoids and are rich in fiber. Phytonutrients and antioxidants in apples are believed to help reduce the risk of developing hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease. Peanut butter is rich in potassium as well as protein, which reduces the risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and heart disease. Being rich in fiber, it is good for bowel health. It is a source of healthy fat and magnesium that helps fortify bones and muscles. It is also a good source of vitamin E and antioxidant. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.